Hey there, sewing friends. I'm Alice Murray, and this is Murr-Made Designs. And it is my channel about sewing garments. And today is the day 117 of 365 sewing makes, where I am making garments and I'm doing pattern reviews and fabric reviews and talking about any challenges that I came across. And if there's a way to have a challenge, I'll find it. So today, on day 117, is kind of an interesting day. I try to mix it up, make it a little bit different, keep it interesting, hopefully, and some information so other beginner sewers, I consider myself beginner because it's been about 2 years I've been sewing, hopefully learn a little bit from my experience. So today, it's kind of, I don't know what I think of this. I'm eager to hear what you think. About a week ago, I showed you NewLook 664. I made a pair of gray pants. I made this top on day 99, but I made the gray pants with the cargo pockets and all of that business about a week ago. And my husband, who is a great supporter of my crazy sewing business, said to me, because it took me about 5 days to make these pants, he said, you should make them again right away because you'll remember how to do it and you'll probably do it way faster the second time. So I thought that was a great idea, and so I decided to make the ones that are more like sweatpants. And then I thought, well, I had enough fabric left. I thought, well, I'll make a top with it too. And so I reached for this cute pattern. Isn't this cute? This is Kwik Sew 1631. And let's see, can we tell? We can tell by looking at the picture. It's from the 80s. Does it have the actual date on here? It doesn't appear to have the actual date, but yes, you can definitely imagine this is from the 80s. And this is from the stash of patterns I got from my husband's cousin. So I made this, and then I also downloaded this free funnel neck that you can hack on to other garments. So I put that all together. Let me give you a twirl. So my husband was so correct. These pants took me about half an hour. I didn't put the back pockets on and I didn't put the side pockets on. I just put the front pockets on it. And I put 2 rows of elastic in the waistband, but I didn't put the tie on. And this top, it has kind of batwing sleeves on it. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I also added cuffs, and I took a little bit of the volume out of the bottom of the sleeve to kind of highlight the batwing part. And yeah, this funnel neck, I think if a person made it out of like a heavier material that had a little more oomph to it, I think it might look kind of nifty. Different. I actually saw one of the news announcers had a top like this on the other day, but with this this material is quite it's a polyester. It's got a bit of stretch in it, and it's quite slippy, kind of slinky feeling. So yeah, it doesn't stand up, and it doesn't actually lay down very nicely either. So it's not really a crowl neck, not really a turtleneck, not really a funnel neck. It's just kind of a floppy neck. but I didn't want it to look like a sweatshirt top. So yeah, I like the funnel sleeves. I like the elastic. I like the pockets. I like the silky material. I made a dress for my sister-in-law out of this material way back a few months ago, and I showed that to you. It's very nice, very silky material. I didn't put any cuffs on the bottom of the pants because I didn't want them to look like sweatpants. I wanted this to look more like a jumpsuit, but not a jumpsuit. A jumpsuit you can go to the bathroom easily in. That's what I was going for. Yeah. So, kind of, I don't know. I don't know what to think of it. Do I look like a nightmare? Do I look like your worst nightmare? Love to hear. It's very comfy. So, this is NewLook 6644. Highly recommend this pattern. Highly recommend it. I would have you watch the video, day 99 video though, before you made the shirt, because it was very short and would need some length added to it. But these pants, right on. And I am going to make several more of them. And my husband was so right. If you make something and you make it again, way faster. And the funnel neck, interesting concept. They have a picture of it on the Oliver top, which they obviously made with thicker fleece, and that does look kind of nifty. So that was easy peasy. I would recommend that too. And I doubt you're going to find this pattern, but it is a very good plain sweatshirt pattern. Kwik Sew 1631. And it's just fun looking at the envelope. So all in all, it worked out pretty good. And what is my grateful thread today? Well, I am grateful for viewers who watch and help me out and help me learn. And I want to pass on what I learned to others. I don't know, several weeks ago, I was singing the praises of a kilt pin that I was using to run elastic, because when I use regular bobby pin or safety pins, I kind of get the elastic kind of halfway through and then pull the top off the safety pin and then have to start all over again, or the safety pin opens, and yeah, it's a nightmare. So I had got this kilt pin and it worked much better. But a dear viewer, when I said that, said what I needed was a bodkin. And it came in a package of 2, which was good, because when you're putting in double elastic, you have to put it in at the same time, because you can't get it all through and then try to put the second one past all the bunchy. You have to put them both in at the same time. So bodkins, my new favorite thing. I'm grateful to the viewer that told me, and I'm grateful to have them. And I got them just in the nick of time to put the double elastic into these pants. So thank you so much. I hope you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you tomorrow.